Hello guys! Magandang umaga! Busy kami today, oh. We are busy.
Yeah.
Because we have a
Sorry
visitor.
guys, we're busy.
Oh, may bisita kami guys. Pinsan ni Lipat na dalawa. Akala ko guys kasi may tika-tika kami today. So sabi ni Indira, hindi pa yung tika day, sa Friday pa daw. So na-confuse ako. So kaya ayun, ako naman naglalaba pero tulong-tulong din naman ako sa ngayon dahil kailangan. So ayun, si Indira nandito and medyo may konting pakain si Ama sa mga bisita namin today. Tapos, teka lang, medyo madilim, hindi nyo ako makikita. Ayan. Teka lang. Naglalaba ako guys. Kasi, marami akong labahin. And at least may araw this time. And ayun, iniwanan ko na si Indira tsaka si Ama sa baba. So this time guys, bali talagang nagsisimula na yung Dasay, yung pinakamalaking festival. So this time, nagpakain lang si Ama. At baka magbibigay lang siya konting cash gifts sa mga bata. So, ayun guys, ako ay naglalaba kasi madami na talaga akong labahin. So, kaya iniwanan ko sila doon, dalawa. Dahil sabi ko kay Indira tsaka ka Ama, magsampay muna ako. Actually guys, second batch ko na ito. Second batch ko na ito, nakalaba na ako ng first batch ko. Nasampay ko na. Kasi sinisegregate ko talaga puti. Kahit sino naman siguro naglalaba sa inyo, diba? So, ito, itim-itim lahat. Yan. And then, ayun guys, magsalang na ako. Pangatlong salang na ito. And then, mamaya-maya. So, ayun guys. Gusto silang kumain sa first batch. Mga babae na naman. Dal and rice. Happy Dasay.
Happy Dasay. Happy Dasay.
Happy Dasay. Happy Dasay. Thank you. How old are you now? How old? Huh? How old are you now? 9 years old. What is your name? Huh? So tell them, Happy Dasay. TikTok. Sumasayaw daw ito, TikTok. Sige na. TikTok.
500 followers.
Wow! Congratulations! Wow! 500 followers. Dance. Sample only. For the sign. Naiya siya. Talibok niyo. 9 years old na pala ito. Yuhan age. Ay, hindi pala ka-age na yun. So, how old now? How old now? 8. Matanda na si Yuhan sa kanya pala. Ito lang sila guys para kumain kasi nga Pasko. Si Rich Day tsaka si Buwa. Pamangkin ni Daddy. Yung nanay ni Suresh Day means big brother namin, sister ni Daddy. So pinakabunso ni Daddy pala yun ang mami niya. Yan, dalawa yan sila magkapatid, isa sa Qatar. Yan yung parang mga big brother nila ni Deepak. Yan. Sendira. Tira. Mag-uusap kami ni Indira dito, so abangan niyo yan. Mamaya-maya, upo kami ni Indira dito, mag-uusap kami. Mag-hot seat tayo kay Indira. Kasi nga, nandito siya guys, and I think bukas, i-confirm natin kung talagang uuwi siya sa village. Ayan o, maingay kasi nag-uusap sila guys. So, medyo nagutom ako. Kaya, nakakain-kain muna ako dito. So, ayan guys. Mamaya ulit. Ito kami ni Indira guys, oh. Hello guys. How are you guys? Yan. Ito po, may manok pa sila guys na tira. Tsaka, ito
for snacks.
Yeah, for snacks. Tapos ito ang ginawa ni Indira na char. Spicy? Spicy, Indira?
Not too much. You can try it.
Patata. This is what? Cucumber?
Yeah, cucumber.
Cucumber and
radish, anapur, and potato.
Radish. Radish, potato, and chili.
Green chili.
Sabi ko dito, na lang kaming dalawa. May washing clothes. Naglalaba.
Kayan?
Sabi niya kanina sa akin guys,
you washed today.
She was telling me, you're washing, by your hand. Sabi ko, no, I will throw everything.
You said I'm washing. I thought you were washing my hands.
Kasi okay naman na yung washing machine namin. The washing machine is okay.
I don't know that.
Oo, kasi akala niya sira pa yung washing machine namin.
You said you will throw all the clothes. You like my clothes?
Sabi ko sa kanya, just joke. Sabi ko, I will throw. What do you think? I will wash you with 3 clothes, only I will wash tomorrow?
Yes, Sunday tomorrow.
Ay, uuwi sila. So, can you tell them why you are going to single for how many days?
I will come. I'll count the week.
Hindi mo na sure ka. She have to count. But how many days?
Maybe 14 days, maybe.
For 10 days.
Me and Mandira will come together, maybe.
Yeah, Mandira is coming.
Maybe, but not sure of her, no?
Yeah, maybe from there she will change her mind again that she will not come. But I think she might come, but not sure. It's
We are going for Tika.
Yeah, for
And
Tika.
I have vacation also.
Yeah, how many days vacation, Indira?
15 days.
15 days. So tomorrow you are going in Narayan by.
You will come after 2 days.
After 2 days. After 2 days naman si Narayan Bay. Pero I think Narayan Bay, motorbike.
You will come by motorbike. I will go by sumo.
Oh, you're alone? Actually guys, you're planning to go with Indira in the village. But because Amo was telling me, Hila, we should finish the Dasai.
Yeah?
Yeah, we should finish the Dasai. Then, that's the time we can go there.
Yeah.
Very, very important this festival.
Yeah,
So, Lights of Festival. So, ayun, Lights of Festival. One of the biggest festival in Nepal. And this time, we are celebrating the Sai. The Sai. The Har Festival is different.
Yeah, it's coming.
It's coming. So, this time is the Sai. Means, it's all about giving. It's all about family. No? So, pamilya talaga ang season na ito or ang festival na ito, guys. I have a question. Why you guys need to go to the village every Dasai? Why you're not celebrating here? Especially you have already a house here.
Because our grandmother is there, no? So we have to put tika from our elder one. My grandmother is here, we will celebrate here.
From which side? From your dad's side?
Yeah, my dad mother.
So buwas, auntie, that one. Daddy auntie, correct?
Yeah, uncle auntie, my grandfather grandmother.
Yeah. So daddy auntie is Indira's grandmother. So
Now you understood, yeah?
yeah, now I understand. So she's the elder from Indira's side. So also the reason why we are not allowed this year to put tika because of a small brother who died. According to Hindu culture. So ayun guys. We can celebrate, yeah? We can celebrate, but
Only tika is not allowed, everything is allowed.
and puja not allowed, means not allowed to pray and put tika for 1 year. What will happen? We are not allowed also to keep the lights in our house.
We can put electric light.
Electric light, but not those candles. Yeah. Kasi guys, diba every year, makikita
Because
nyo.
this is the we'll put after tea puja, no? This candle.
Ayun,
So
so
we'll
not
not puja,
allowed.
no? This
So, because every year, kung nakikita niyo may vlog ako na naglalagay si Ama sa stairs namin ng mga kandila, puno yan. So this time, hindi yan, wala kami yan. Mamimiss natin yan. For the sake na respeto dun sa namatay na isa sa membro ng pamilya na ito, kaya hindi nila pwedeng gawin yon. But we can keep the Christmas lights, we call yung electric light ang tawag sa kanila kasi hindi naman sila familiar sa Christmas light, no? You're not familiar with the Christmas light, so they call it electric lights. So and we can keep that one. So that one is allowed. Except the candle. Yeah. So they will stay there for 1 week. So, itong Dasay, hindi nyo sila makikita dito. Sila magkapatid na tatlo. But, in Tihar, they will be here. So, guys, darating na naman kasi yung festival ng, what did you call that festival?
Tihar.
Tihar for the brother and sister festival. What did you call this? Baitika.
Baitika yan.
Ayan, that is the Baitika. So, abangan nyo ang Baitika na festival nila, guys. Kasi, very important din. That Baitika means brother and sister yun. So, Indira will put tika to Narayanbay and Mandira. And this time, also, again, Narayanbay will get lots of gifts from his sisters. Yeah.
Before year, we didn't put tika, no? That's our grandfather funeral.
I feel like every year, we're not allowed to celebrate.
This year for you.
This year for us, last year is for them.
Yeah.
But this year, they can celebrate. Si Narayanbay, hindi na siya pumunta because Indira told me she already cooked for him. So that's why he did not come here to eat.
I didn't cook today, yesterday. Bad not to waste food.
Okay, it's bad to waste food. So that's why, yung kagabi na niluto niya, kinain na ni Narayanbay.
You'll finish there, I'll finish here.
So kaya sabi ko bakit hindi pumunta dito kasi may mga pagkain naman yan tao, may mga tira pa nga. So sabi niya, but he will come later? Oo, mamaya pupunta siya dito. So for now, where is he? Now?
Maybe he's rest.
Resting, then he will go back to the shop or no?
No, he'll not go. He already go in the morning.
Bali by shift pala yung work, no? We have shift, morning shift. Until what time?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. So, Narayanbay will come later, guys. For snacks. He will come here. But right now, he's taking a rest. So, kain muna tayo ito.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, now I'm hungry, but not that.
Little?
Little only.
Little bit hungry.
But we will try this one, Indira. What do you think?
I can't eat. I am full already. My stomach will be very big.
Ako kumain na. Me, I already ate. You saw me already, Indira. You saw me. I already ate because the
Against the law.
Against the law, Mila Baujo eat already. But with the permission.
Yeah. Okay, permission.
Uy! Asim pala nito. Si Si Ama, Ama is happy, not crying anymore. But Buwa yesterday, si Buwa pala kahapon guys, sumama yung pakiramdam niya.
Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday he was not feeling well kasi kay Buwa na problem, may stone kasi siya. So, I don't know why, again yesterday.
They will go some fun day to CT scan.
What time you are going tomorrow?
Me? Maybe 11 o'clock. No. I forgot that.
Parang walang lasa, no taste?
Yeah, it's not sweet.
No taste or only me, I don't have taste. Make sure.
Wait, patient?
I can smell.
Yes.
Tomorrow they are going for
CT scan.
CT scan. So, abangan nyo rin yan guys. Baka bukas sasama ako kay Buwa for CT scan. I don't know what time they are going tomorrow. So, actually yung talaga plano ko sana, I will go with Indira and Naren by us. We are going, me and my loves and Johan. Kasi vacation naman this time na eh. Sila Johan. It's vacation time.
Yeah.
So, how many days the vacation?
15 days.
15 days vacation, guys. She swallow her saliva. Bloopers. She swallow, I think the seeds. In Nepal, you call this one Suntala. Yan. Orange also. This is orange.
Yeah, orange.
But I think
I don't know why it's green.
it's not yet ripe.
It's not ripe. No?
It's not ripe yet, so we can call Suntala. But when it's ripe, we can call orange.
Orange, yeah.
Because the color will change. First talaga ito kasama ko. So, ayun guys. Tomorrow, Indira is going back to the village. She will stay there for 15 days.
No, 15 days.
10 days lang pala.
Because mom will come there. She will go Mama Garden. No?
Mama Garments?
Or brother house. Because our mom and dad is also here. No? So she will come here in the Dasai to pick and me and mother will stay there.
So ngayon ang mangyayari, now you and Nandira only will stay in your house? And then by only 1 week there?
Maybe you will also come fast with mommy.
Ay, oo. So ganun lang din, but your dad will not know?
You will come, you will go there,
But for how many days only?
Will 2 or 3 days only.
Kasi busy talaga si daddy nila guys. About your dad. Can you tell them where is uncle exactly? Because I think it's better you can explain them because some of them are asking me why your mom and dad are not with you. So can you tell them why?
Because my dad is security guard.
Am I correct that uncle is a retired army?
Yeah, so in Nepal, every retired army have only one job, security guard.
Decent job, I mean to say. But what Indira is trying to tell you guys is lahat ng mga ex-army o retired army sa Nepal, ang magiging trabaho nila after is magiging security guard po sila. So, like what Uncle is doing right now,
He's
si
doing day and night duty, no? So he stay there.
Oh.
He's doing night duty also.
Yeah. So, to every one of you who is asking why their mom and dad is not with them. So, Indira, ayan, sabi ni Indira, si daddy niya, morning and evening nasa trabaho talaga. And stay in the job. And what about your mom? Why she need to stay there in the village? Not with you here.
Yeah, we have land. Now we have banana farming, no?
Yes.
So
So she
in our dear house also. We have cow also. That's why she also don't want to come here, no? Because she used to there. Here is no work also.
Yeah.
And here we need too much money, no, for surviving. Maybe after if I will go, she will come.
Yeah. Naranbay is planning to go abroad. But hopefully, if that will happen, God willing, so I think that is the time that their mom also can take rest. So ayun guys, yun na lang ang inantay. Pag God willing na makalabas na siya lang naman kasi inasahan. And of course, he's trying his best naman. Ayun guys, pag nag-grant na yun, gusto nilang mangyari, si auntie is dito na siya sa kanila. Mag for good. And baka yung sa village, ibibenta na nila yung lahat. According lang sa nalalaman ko. So, ayun. So, medyo maingay. Medyo maingay guys. Pero willing talaga si Mira makipag-usap sa inyo. Kaya, pasensyahan nyo na yung barok ko na English. Ayun. So, ayun. So, Indira, thank you for your time.
I have too much time today.
So thank you for answering those questions.
Yeah, you can ask.
You can ask. Sana nag-live na lang ang pala. Easy question lang yun.
What is your name?
What is your name? Ano dito, Joker? Actually guys, what happened? I was planning to buy her clothes. You can ask Ama. But we can go again. But she's going.
We'll go after the sign. It's okay.
After the sign, not a big deal anyway. But even me, I don't buy new clothes this time.
Yeah.
But maybe in Tihar, before Tihar, bili kami. Abangan nyo yan. Bili kami ng Indira.
I will buy one kurta.
Okay, so where is that?
In the house. I will bring here.
Sa bahay
I
sila.
send picture after.
Picture? We must show them.
Yeah.
But
I will log in Tihar minutes.
nag-down. So guys, nalaglag. So, nag-shopping kasi single. What about for Mandira?
Yes, because our sister buy for us, no? We haven't buy.
So, you did not buy for her?
No, she also buy for kurta. Kurta sugar, and I buy only tops, only kurta, and I wear with pant. I don't like straight kurta, no? I am not used to wear all.
Bye guys!